Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by shutting league and killing riot processes. This clears socket conflicts and stops reconnect loops. Once done, disable any VPN or proxy because they alter routes and cause packet loss. Make sure to move from wireless to a wired connection if available. Wired reduces jitter. Now restart your router and your PC to renew DHCP and clear NAT mappings. If your ISP reports an outage, wait. Otherwise, continue to the next step to repair local network and game files. You should run the built-in client repair to replace bad game files that cause disconnects. This operation repairs corrupted network modules. Next, open Windows Firewall and add inbound and outbound rules for League's executable and UDP/TCP ports. This prevents packet blocking. Once configured, temporarily disable third-party antivirus or network monitors because they can silently drop packets or block certs. If you see immediate improvement, reconfigure the security tool with exception. Finish by resetting your network stack. Flush DNS and run netwinsock reset to remove corrupted socket entries that cause disconnects. Then switch to a reliable DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to avoid slow lookups. Test latency with ping and trace routes to identify hops dropping packets. If issues persist, capture network logs, timestamps, and in-game reconnect reports. Send them to Riot support. Key tip: if reconnects continue, try a different network, mobile tether, to isolate ISP versus local hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.